welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. SC refuses to stay export of Maharashtra ore. Supreme Court issues notices to Goa government, centre and concerned mining firm to confirm that ore is indeed from Maharashtra. Hearing on 16 February. MPT Education Trust suspends class teacher and a clerk for destroying evidences in Mormugao minor girl rape case. In another incident, 15 days old girl child abandoned at Santa Cruz. BJP MP Shripad Naik says BJP's young brigade has leaders better than Parrikar, says old leaders should retire and pave way for the new ones. The Navy on Monday commissions its offshore patrol vessel INS Saryu for maritime surveillance. The ship is the Indian Navy's largest offshore patrol vessel. Indian Oil Corporation dominates PSPB table tennis with double crown. Anshita Sharat Kamal of IOC and Neha Agarwal of BPCL clinched individual titles. And now the news in detail. Supreme Court has not ordered any interim stay on export of Maharashtra ore from Goa. The Apex Court has issued notices to Goa government, centre and mining company in the matter. Mines Department had granted NOC to a mining company to export iron ore from Maharashtra via Goa. Matter will come up for hearing again on 16th of February.
Writ petition was filed by the Goa Foundation against the Goa government for giving no objection certificate to a mining company to transport iron ore from Reddy, Maharashtra via Goa. Matter was heard by the bench of Supreme Court on Monday. Supreme Court has issued notices to the concerned mining company, Goa government and Union of India. Hearing is now scheduled on 15th February. However, Supreme Court has not ordered any interim stay on loading of iron ore transported from across the border. Petitioner prayed before the Supreme Court to pass the order to not allow transportation of any iron ore or manganese ore within and from the state. Earlier, Central Empowered Committee had directed the state to keep the permission granted for export of iron ore transported from Maharashtra in abeyance. Earlier, a Congress MLA had raised the issue of interstate ore transport via Goa before the CEC. Reacting to MLA's petition, CEC has asked Mine Department to keep the NOC for ore transport in abeyance. Reporter Mahesh Gadi from Panji.
MPT's Education Committee has snapped suspension on the class teacher and a clerk for destroying the circumstantial evidences in Mormugao minor girl rape case. The headmistress Furtado has been sent to 7 days police custody. Meanwhile, a 15 days old girl child was found in bushes near GMC on Monday. Baby has been admitted in the GMC.
MPT Education Committee suspended the class teacher Disha Kautankar and clerk Brazino Budino in the Mormugao minor girl rape case. They were suspended on the charges of destruction of evidence. The school headmistress Charlotte Furtado was arrested on Sunday. Now she is being remanded to 7-day custody by the JMFC court. Furtado has applied for bail in Children's Court. Meanwhile, the committee constituted during Kanaya Naik case discussed the Mormugao rape case on Monday and made some important suggestions. Committee headed by MLA Vishnu Wagh has suggested government to provide CCTV cameras to all the schools and construction of toilets.
Entry pointaचेर CCTV दवरचे. वा त्यांच्या स्वभावान कितें एबेरेशन आयलां काय कितें डेविएशन कितें जालां काय कितें बिहेवियर पॅटर्नान हेजें जजमेंट क्लास टिचर करपाक शकता आनी त्या खातीर रेग्युलर क्लास टिचर घेवन ते वेवस्थीत तांचे हें घेवपा जाय. खूब कडेन अशें दिसता आमकां की शाळा सुटली की टिचर पयलीं धांवता बस धरपाक. कन्सर्न्ड क्लास टिचर जो आसतलो तो क्लास टिचर सगळीं भुरगीं शाळेच्या कंपाऊंडांतल्यान भायर गेल्या हेची खात्री केल्या नंतरूच भायर सरतलो. बॉयज आनी गर्ल्सां खातीर थंय टॉयलेटाची ताजे बरोबर उदकाची ही अखंडीतपणे वेवस्था जातली हेची दक्षता ही सरकारान घेवपाक जाय.
Former MLA of Vasco's Jose Philip D'Souza has threatened to stage a Rasta Roko if police fail to nab the culprit within 7 days.
24 तारखेर आमकां 7 दीस वता आनी आयज आमी सगळे लायक बिजनेस शॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स लायक फिशींग इंडस्ट्रीचे जे मार्केट वेजिटेबल आनी सगळे हांवें मिटींग आपयला आनी आमी एक मिटींगेक बसून आयज डिसिजन घेतले दॅट ऑन 24th we are going to have a public meeting Mudan.
The word was out that the main accused in the Mormugaon minor girl rape case was arrested in Bangalore, but police confirmed that it is just a rumor. In a shocking incident at Santa Cruz, a 15-day-old girl child was thrown in the bushes near GMC. A good Samaritan discovered the abandoned child and rescued her and informed the Sarpanch of Santa Cruz about this incident. The child has been admitted to GMC and police are investigating the case.
हे जाल्यार पळय जाल्यार हिंगा भुरगे आसले आनी पॅम्पर आहलो ताका बरो पॅम्पर बा घातलेलो आहलो घेतले आनी हांव डायरेक्ट काडलो आनी ते कॅज्युलिटी नेलो कॅज्युलिटीन मेडिकल ऑफिसर म्हणून लागलो काडून ताका 131 म्हणून आनी देर इट ताका मागीर काडलो आनी आमी ICUन शिफ्ट केले. क्लू मेळला म्हणजे डॉक्टरी कडेन उलयता त्या प्रमाणे ते डॉक्टरीन अशी सारके शुअर ना की तसलेंच बेबी ते सेम फिचर्स सेम कितें डिजीज आहा पळय ते आंगाक कितें आहा ते म्हणटात ते 18th डिस्चार्ज जाल्ले आनी शी इज कम फ्रॉम आजिलोन आनी ते एड्रेस दिला म्हापसा दुलेर म्हणून. सो हो आनी एक क्लू आमकां मेळला तेजेर ताबडतोब पुलिसांनी एक्शन घेवन तांकां पेरंट्सांक बूक करपाकूच जाय.
Meanwhile, police have arrested 10 people in the Arun Toraskar murder case that shook Shioli on Sunday. Main accused Rupesh Sargaonkar is still at large. CM Parrikar paid a visit to the family of late Arun Toraskar. Final rites were performed on the body of Arun Toraskar after CM gave a concrete assurance of action against the culprit.
म्हाका दिसता भितर जितल्या लोकांनी प्रत्यक्ष खुनान भाग घेतला पळय तसोच भितर काही लोक प्लॅनिंग करपाक इनवॉल्ड आहात. सो त्यामुळे केवळ खून केले ते न्हय जाल्यार जे कॉन्स्पिरेशन आहा पळय सगळ्यांक आमी सगळ्यांची हे प्रॉपर हे करतले.
आतां कोण कोण भितर इनवॉल्व आहा तांकां सगळ्यांक धरून भितर उडयता म्हणून पर्रेकारान आमकां डायरेक्ट सांगलेलें आहा आनी आमी हांगासर 24 वरां कालच्यान हांगासर पर्रेकाराक लागून लावलेलें आहा आनी पर्रेकारान आमकां सांगलां म्हणून आमी आतां बॉडी मूव करता आनी जर तर पर्रेकर हेतून परती जर कोण एक्शन जर घेयना धर न्हू फुडले डिसिजन मागीर कितें घेवंक जाय ते परते आमी गांवांत खोदायतले आनी परतून मारामारी जातल्यो.
Bureau report Prudent.
People come, people go, party will run. Young blood is ready to fill in the vacuum. The stunning statement comes from North Goa MP and senior BJP leader Shripad Naik. He said that young blood has capacity to replace even Manohar Parrikar. Naik has also accepted that he was not invited for BJP's Janasampark Yatra in the state. He has reported on state BJP affairs to the party's national Sahasanghatak Satish Wilwankar.
कोणा फाटल्यान कांय अडना हें आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. 34 पास जाल्लो चर्चिल गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री जावंक शकता. आमचे जे आमदार आसात जवळ जवळ 21 आमदार आमचेच आसात ते जास्तीत जास्त चडांत चड ग्रॅज्युएट आसात. पक्षाचे पदाधिकारी आसात उच्च शिक्षीत आसात अनुभवी आसात आनी अशा हातूंतल्यान कोण ना म्हणपाचें हे हेजे हातून बसना. कोण हांवें घेतलो पर्रीकारान घेतलो आनी कोणें घेतलो ही आतांची आमची टीम सगळी जरी गेली जाल्यार फाल्यां कोण तरी ह्या हातून ती पोकळी भरून काडटाच कोण तातूंत आमचे पेक्षा बरो होवंक शकता आनी कोणी.
जी जनसंपर्क यात्रा जी काडल्या तुमी खंय दिसले ना
एक्चुअली कितें हांवूय नाशिल्लो मदीं आनी ते खंय तरी इल्लोसो कम्युनिकेशन गॅप उरलो आनी म्हणून जे 1-2 म्हाजे उत्तर गोंयान कार्यक्रम जाले त्या कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित रावूंक शकलो ना.
कम्युनिकेशन गॅप पार्टी वटेन आसलो.
हय 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 ताजे सगळ्या खातीर कार्यक्रम आसा काय हो मुख्यमंत्र्याचो कार्यक्रम हे समजूपाक मातशें मुश्कील जालें परंतु ते क्लियर जाले आतां की काही गोष्टी ज्यो पक्षाची हिताच्यो ना आनी त्या संदर्भात आमची चर्चा बीन जाली आज.
कोणा बरोबर चर्चा जाली आज आनी
अखिल भारतीय सहसंघटन मंत्री आयिल्ले जे ऑर्गनायझेशन पळयता देशभराचे ते मिस्टर व्ही सतीश वेलवणकर म्हणटा तांकां आनी त्या संदर्भात एकूण लोकसभा निवडणूक सरकाराचे जे काही काम आसा ह्या संदर्भात आणि पक्षा अंतर्गत काम पक्षाचे संघटनेचे काम या संदर्भात बरीच चर्चा झाली.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.